3 pieces H8P with fingerprint camera before the shipping and testing, okay? This is testing 2, okay, number 2. Just ring the doorbell. Ring the doorbell.
Remote unlock.
Okay, here is my mobile. Okay, got the notification. Okay, here cancel. Okay, we see to get the picture. Okay, unlock the device. Here's testing 1. Ring the doorbell just then. We're testing. Okay.
Remote unlock.
Request unlock. Okay. Here is still keep the same page of testing 2. Okay. We're waiting for the notification of testing 1 to get the notification. Okay. You see? Okay, notification. Okay, I'll check. Here is the testing 1. Okay, we cancel. We're waiting the picture upload. Sometimes will happen because of the Wi-Fi issue, so we can refresh. Okay, something to make sure you see. Okay, this is testing 1. Okay, this is testing 1, this is testing 2, and this is testing 3. Okay. Okay, we're waiting the notification. Okay, notification here. This is the iOS system, so waiting just to go to the picture. Sometimes to make sure your Wi-Fi, even your Wi-Fi signal show here is very strong, but sometimes need more patience. Okay, we'll unlock. Okay, the third one. So we can check the records here. You can see, okay, alerts. See, this is testing 3, and the testing 2, we can go to testing 2. Okay, testing 2, unlock records, and alerts, you can see, much of records are just testing.